Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're showing you how to make fertilizer from kitchen scraps. Learn how to use tea leaves, vegetable scraps, and fruit scraps to create a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. Let's get started. Using kitchen scraps to make fertilizer is eco-friendly and enriches your garden soil. It's a simple and cost-effective way to provide essential nutrients to your plants. Here's what you'll need. 1. Tea leaves. Save used tea leaves. 2. Vegetable scraps. Collect peels, stems, and leaves. Avoid diseased scraps. 3. Fruit scraps. Gather peels, cores, and rinds. Avoid large quantities of citrus peels. Follow these steps. First, chop larger scraps into smaller pieces. Next, add those scraps to a compost bin or a container with drainage holes. Then, layer the scraps with garden soil or dried leaves. Make sure to mix it regularly and keep it moist. Remember to turn the pile every few weeks. Composting takes a few months. You'll know it's ready when it's dark, crumbly, and has an earthy smell. Apply your compost. Start by spreading compost around the base of your plants as a top dressing. You can also mix compost into the soil before planting as a soil amendment. Lastly, use compost as mulch to retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Tips for success. Keep a balance between green and brown materials. Avoid adding meat and dairy, as these attract pests and create odors. And finally, remember that composting takes time, so be patient. Using kitchen scraps to make fertilizer recycles waste and boosts your garden's health. Give it a try and enjoy nutrient-rich homemade compost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!